Hi Year 2, welcome to your second reading comprehension lesson this week. Remember, this week we're looking at fiction texts. Fiction texts are stories that are not real. Our fiction text in today's lesson is The Mystery of the Green Lady by Helen Moss, in the Castle Dungeon. Sam and Mina are in the dungeon of Stirling Castle. Sam thought he saw a ghost of the Green Lady, but Mina doesn't believe in ghosts. Mina peeped through the keyhole. The room was dimly lit by an old lantern. Something was moving in the shadows. Mina spotted a green velvet cloak and long black hair. The Green Lady knelt next to an old wooden chest. She turned a key in the lock and pushed up the lid. A cloud of dust swirled up. She reached inside to lift something out. It was an old sword. Its handle glinted with jewels. The Green Lady slid the sword into her shoulder bag. Then she took the lantern and disappeared through another door. Sam's voice trembled. "See, I told you ghosts are real." "That lady wasn't a ghost," Mina said. "Her brown bag came from the market. My sister bought one just the same last week." Sam pushed against the door. Slowly it creaked open. Mina wiped cobwebs from the wooden chest. Before you answer the questions, remember to read my top tips. So you need to read the questions slowly and carefully, take note of the words in bold, underline or highlight the key words in the question and find them in the text, then read around the words to find the answer. And if there is more than one part to a question, treat each part separately. Question number 1. What does the word dimly tell you about the room? Tick 1. Look at that word in bold. You need to only tick one of the options below and give yourself a mark if you ticked "It is nearly dark." Question number 2. What was the Green Lady kneeling beside? Give yourself a tick if you wrote "an old wooden chest." Question number 3. We've got a quote here. "Its handle glinted with jewels." Which word or words mean the same as glinted? Tick 1. Look at the word in bold. You just need to tick 1. And give yourself a mark if you ticked sparkled. Question number 4. Find and copy 2 things Mina saw before she saw the sword. So look at those words in bold. You need to find and copy 2 things. Give yourself a mark if you ticked 2 of any of the options following. A dimly lit room, an old lantern, a green velvet cloak, long black hair, the Green Lady, an old wooden chest, a key in a lock, a cloud of dust. Question number 5. How do we know that the chest had not been opened for a long time? You could have written 2 different answers. So you could have written either the chest was dusty as a cloud of dust swelled up, or you could have written it was covered in cobwebs. Mina wiped the cobwebs from the wooden chest. Question number 6. You need to number the events to show the order in which they happened in the story. So give yourself a tick if you put the Green Lady disappeared through another door as number 3, Sam pushed against the door as number 4, Mina peeped through the keyhole as number 1, and the Green Lady opened the chest as number 2. Well done for working so hard, Year 2. I'll see you next time. Bye.